We're going to take some apple segments and observe how enzymatic browning takes place under different conditions. These apples have been left out on the bench for 10 minutes, 30 minutes and 24 hours. These apples have been blanched. They've been plunged into boiling water for 20 seconds and then placed into cold water. These apples have been wrapped in Glad wrap. And these apple samples have been coated in lemon juice. And finally, these apples have been placed in the freezer. If we look at the final results after 24 hours, what we see is that cutting the apples releases the enzymes and exposes the food to oxygen. This is our control experiment. This is the segment of apple that's been left on the bench for 24 hours. Let's compare it to blanching. Blanching destroys the enzymes and you can't see any evidence of browning. Glad wrap reduces the apple's exposure to oxygen and lessens the rate of browning. However, browning still occurs over time. The addition of lemon juice or other acid foods will prevent browning because of a change in pH that will inactivate the enzyme. Putting the apple in the freezer will slow the enzyme activity but will not stop it altogether. Enzymatic browning can be temporarily prevented by placing things like peeled potatoes in water, and this excludes the oxygen from the air. However, they will go brown eventually because there is some dissolved oxygen in the water.